Spellzone unlocks the mystery of English spelling and adapts to all abilities, including those with dyslexia. Based upon phonic progression, it is used worldwide by students aged 6 to adult. Spellzone is a browser-based resource, which means there is nothing to download or install. It is accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, so students can log in at school and at home, which encourages parental involvement. We recommend using the Google Chrome browser because it features the best speech synthesis, which is perfect for Spellzone word lists, including the ones you create. We also recommend that students use Spellzone for 20 to 30 minutes weekly or 10 minutes daily in order to establish a routine. Spellzone consists of 3 core elements. Firstly, there is the spelling ability test, which gauges familiarity with the Spellzone course material. The results from this test are used to generate a baseline Spellzone score and a personalized learning pathway for each student. This is called a course pathway. A student's course pathway is automatically updated as they progress. Secondly, there are 2 spelling courses, the starter course and the main course, which cover all the English spelling rules and establish a strong foundation in English spelling. These courses feature engaging multisensory activities and tests and a rewards system which incentivizes regular study. Finally, there are thousands of word lists on Spellzone, including all of the spelling course lists, vocabulary lists, curriculum lists and user-created lists, including your own. All word lists can be used with the various spelling activities and single or multiplayer games, allowing students to practice in a fun and engaging way. In addition, the lists can be translated into 92 languages and be printed as worksheets for offline practice, including handwriting. Spellzone is fully accessible, allowing all users to customize its appearance to meet their requirements.